How do I enter restricted stock unit sales in TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Then click on the sign in option. On the sign in portal, enter your username, then enter your password and click on the sign in option. Now, restricted stock units are a form of compensation that is starting to be used by many employers. These are generally taxed at the time of vesting, whereas employee stock options are usually taxed at the time of option exercise. The first step you want to do is head over to the section of reporting capital gains and losses. This is found with the federal income section of the tax return. Then you want to click on the option of add a new capital gain or loss transaction. Select this option to begin entering the details of your RSU sale. Now you will have to specify the type of asset being sold. Choose the appropriate option that corresponds to the RSU or stock options. You're going to be asked to enter details about the acquisition of the RSU, including the date they vested and the cost basis of the shares. This information is provided by your employer on the W-2 or a separate statement. Next, you want to enter the details of the sale, including date of sale, the number of shares sold, and the share price per share. TaxAct is automatically going to calculate the gain or losses on the sale based on the information you have provided. Once you have entered all the information, review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. If you have multiple RSU sales or other capital transactions to report, repeat the process for each additional transactions. Depending on your overall tax situation, you may need to complete other sections of the tax return related to capital gains and losses. Before filing your tax return, make sure you review all the sections carefully. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can contact the customer support of TaxAct. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.